Frequent flyer flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend the warmest welcome. I'm out here with the Syma X440 stunt drone. Felt like flying it a little bit. Let's see if we can get into high rates. If there's anything that I would say needs to be improved on this little drone, is its pitch. It needs a higher rate, because this is the fastest it'll go. It's in its highest rate, and so I guess it's not really made for speed, it's just made for stunts. But with stunts goes speed, if you ask me. I think it should be pitching a little harder and flying a little faster. But this is where it shines in its stunts. This little guy can do stunts on demand. We can even do diagonal flips. So that's pretty awesome. I would love to have this thing flying fast and be able to just go right into a flip. But since it moves so slow, it's almost a in-place flip every time, even if you're moving forward, unless you do a front flip. And even then, it kind of slows down and goes up in the air and then flips. Has a transparent body, semi-transparent, and the lights shine through there. You can change the LED lights on top. Check it out. It's red now. You have orange. You have blue, green, white, and I think in this mode right here, it's in orange now, but I think it cycles between all of the different colors. You got fuchsia there. Transition to green. I think it's going to change another color too. Yeah, there you go. It's fuchsia again. We went to blue and green. So you guys get the idea. I'm going to switch it to green because I like the green. Let's see. Green. Green looks like it shows up a little better. So this does other stunts as well. It does that spinning stunt right there. Check it out. But it just does yaw a little faster than it does on demand. And so the yaw not being so fast, I don't think it's that exciting. Sheesh, these bugs are getting on me. I just killed one by mistake. He landed on my neck and I tried to swipe him off my neck. So let's do some flips with it. If you press it twice and hold on the second press and give a direction, it'll do a diagonal flip. All four corners, depending on which direction you hit on the right stick. It doesn't do anything if you hit the the yaw, but it does have different buttons. Oops, I think that's the auto land button is on the far right. So let's see this button on the far left. I think it does something. Wait, let's see. It didn't do anything this time. Guess it doesn't do anything. That might be the trim or something like that. Okay, so there's a stunt there. We just did the yaw turn a little longer. Let's see. Yeah, if you do it twice, he does a longer spin with the yaw turn. Y'all stop the screaming. What are y'all screaming about?
There was a flying spider.
A spider? Was it big?
Yes, it was coming from the stone.
I thought this little drone did double flips. I guess it doesn't. Guess I'm thinking about one of the best stunt drones ever, and that being the Latrax Alias. Now, I say one of the best because there is a brushless Traxxas 8 that does everything that the Latrax Alias does, but it's brushless and bigger and better and badder. So that's my #1 stunt drone. This one is a third place for me, being that it can do diagonal flips. Had to sneeze. But I give this a third place position because this is not that it flips and it's more fun, not that it flips better or it's more fun than some of my other drones, but this is the only other drone that I have that can do diagonal flips like that, and to me that's a big deal. Being able to do diagonal flips, you know, as well as the traditional tricks like this. Yeah, traditional flips I meant to say. And it does them pretty fast. Not the fastest. Oops, I think I changed it to a different mode or something. Yeah, I like to do speed runs, and this thing is pretty slow. And not only that, if you got a wind going, it makes it harder to have fun with this little drone. So it has its limits, but it does flips really well. This is the only offering, the only stunt drone that I know of that you're stuck in altitude hold. I think that's a bummer too, being stuck in altitude hold. And you're a stunt drone. And it's flashing now. It's not going to do any stunts for me. It's ready to come down and land. Let's bring it in for a landing. That's the Syma X440 stunt, pretty decent stunt drone. My #3 of all time stunt drones because it does diagonal flips. Thanks for watching.